Hello and welcome all on Unacademy JEE English, guys, and I'm Rahul Kaushik. Today I'm going to discuss JEE 2020 Advanced exam, guys. So I will be taking chemistry today, and guys, I hope you guys have seen the paper, or if you have not seen it, so get ready for it, guys. Along with discussion, guys, we are also going to do the solutions. And along with solutions, guys, I will also tell you if you are preparing for JEE 2021 or 2022, how you can improve your learning, how you can utilize your time, guys. So, hi, Amy. So, guys, that's very important. So, it is not just a paper solution or paper discussion or analysis, guys. During next 1 hour or so, I will be discussing the right ways how you should prepare for 21 or 22. Okay, guys. So, we will be taking each and everything, and before we start today's session, guys, let me tell you something about myself. I'm Rahul Kaushik. I've worked in Bansa classes for last 10 years, since 2010 to 2020, and I was head of department there, guys. I mentored 2000 plus IITs, and during my tenure there, guys, yes, I have mentored, not just mentored 2000 plus IITs. There were many rankers, many students who got among top 100 AIR, top 20, top 50. And guys, after that, I co-founded my own organization, that is Zigyan Education Private Limited. And now, along with Zigyan, guys, I'm here on an academy to share all my experience and knowledge with you guys. Are you ready for today's quiz? Not quiz, guys. Today's paper analysis. So, guys, this English JEE English, this channel is also present on the Telegram app, guys. And the name of our channel on the Telegram is JEE underscore English. And you can subscribe to it using the link given below the description part of this video. Okay, guys. So, guys, now let's move to the next point, guys. How you can subscribe to an academy? There are some simple steps. The step number one, you just go to Play Store or App Store, download an Academy's Learning app. Unacademy's Learning app. Once you have added it, once you have installed it, guys, after installing, you will be reaching onto this page, guys. Then click on the plus. Once you are clicking on the plus, you will be getting IIT JEE. You will be getting IIT JEE, and then click on the IIT JEE because we are preparing for it, guys. Okay, just a minute, guys. Just a minute. Somebody is. Yes. So guys, once you have installed it, just check on the IIT JEE and hit the subscription button. Okay, guys. So once you are hitting the subscription button, guys, then you will be reaching onto this page. And now I will tell you the fee structure. Guys, you have to pay a fees of 38,000. You have to pay a fees of 38,000 if you are not applying my code, that is Rahul Game. And guys, if you are applying it, you have to pay 34,000. And similarly for 2 year course, you have to pay. Similarly for 2 year course, guys, you have to pay only 50,000 if you are applying my code Rahul Game. And if you are not applying it, guys, then if you are not applying it, guys, then you have to pay just 50 you have to pay 56,000. So guys, this is the fee structure. This is the fees for 1 year. This is the fees for 2 year. I hope, guys, you got it now. I hope, guys, you got it now. So guys, before starting it, now let me tell you what are the advantages. What are the advantages of this plus program, guys? First of all, the course on the plus would be purely structured, and along with the structure, guys, there is one more point. After every class, you will be having DPPs or sheets will be provided to you, and then, guys, you will have weekly quizzes there. After weekly quizzes, we will have a mega quiz on completion of topic. And then, guys, every fourth class will be doubt clearing session. That is very important. Along with it, you will have access to the content of all the educators. Suppose you have chosen IIT JEE, then you will have access to the content of all the educators of physics, chemistry, mathematics, everyone, guys. Everyone. Live classes as well as recorded lectures. So guys, if you have any doubt, please ask me. And now we are going to start JEE Advanced 2020 paper analysis. Okay guys, are you ready for it? So now let's start the first problem on the screen. So guys, here you can see there are relatively this time the paper students are saying that the paper was tough. So let me check guys here. Now it says if the distribution of molecular speed of a gas is as per the figure. So guys, this is the distribution, the most probable, the average and root mean square respectively. So guys, you know that the most probable you will be getting here, then you will be getting average and URMS. So if you remember guys their formulas, in this case a distribution of molecular speed of gas as per the figure shown below, then the ratio of most probable, the average and the root mean square speed respectively is. Yes guys, how will you solve this? So guys, first of all you have to remember the formula, and if you don't remember it then it will be tough for you, right? So fraction of molecule, from this point you will be getting UMPS, ratio of the most probable speed. So what is the formula of UMPS? Root 2 RT by M. What is the formula of U average? It will be root 8 RT by pi M guys. And what is the formula for URMS? Yes guys, tell me. It will be root 3 RT by M. I hope guys you got it now. And now just, hi Rohit Rao, just calculate the ratio and you will be getting it. Got it? I hope it is easy. The most probable root 2, you average root 8 by pi, and then you have root 3. So it is the maximum. It is the maximum guys. So now you can find out. If you divide it by root 2, so you will be getting 1 is to 4 by pi, root 3 by 2, 1.5. So 4 by pi, it will be, answer will be C. So guys, now I'm moving on to the next problem guys. The next problem on your screen, and again it is from inorganic, as you can see. Hello Rohit. So guys, in this problem what is being asked, and again it is memory based guys, this is memory based. So what can you do here? We have received like which of the following liberate O2 upon hydrolysis. So guys, this is the these are the hydrolysis reactions. Pb3O4, no reaction will be shown. Then I'm talking about KO2, and hydrolysis of this will give you KOH and O2. They are asking on the O2. Now you don't have to check the third and fourth option. So guys, B will be your answer. Got it? So B will be your answer. Okay, Rohit Rao, not an issue. You can watch any one of that in recorded form, guys. Now again, this is a problem based on first law of thermodynamics. And again, this is conceptual problem, guys. And what is the concept in it? Yes, let's discuss it, guys. Now let's discuss it. So what is being asked here? What is being asked here? Now it says the thermodynamic PV work done is given by. So guys, what is the formula for work? It is P external into V dV. Okay guys. So in case of van der Waals, you know that for 1 mole it will be Vm minus V RD. So guys, what video is lagging? Let me check it. Okay, just a minute guys. Yes, there is some fluctuation in the speed from my side. Okay, just a minute guys, I'm doing something. Surely lag will be reduced, don't worry. So guys, when you are writing it, so from here P external you can get, okay, this is B external guys. So first of all, if you know that, first of all guys, if you know that your reaction is reversible, your reaction is reversible, in case of reversible reaction you can put P external is equal to P. In case of, okay, just a minute, but now speed is okay, I think now speed is okay. Please tell me, guys. Now speed is okay or it is not okay. Okay, guys, now I hope it's okay now. So let me check it again. There is some network issue. Just a minute, I'm checking it. Probably this time it will be okay. Okay, guys. Yes. Now I think this is okay now. Please tell me, guys. Am I audible now? Yes. So guys, I'm back and I think now it's speed is fine. Speed is fine now. So there was some network issue and we can't do. Yes, Emmy. Now is it okay now? So guys, I was discussing this point like when P external is for reversible, guys, I can say P external will be equal to P gas. P external will be equal to P gas, guys. And if P external still you are facing lag, maybe I have to restart my PC because speed is okay. Speed is okay. There seems to be some issue with it. It's better. Okay, Omi. Okay, Amy, can we continue or should I restart my PC now? There is too much fluctuation in my network. Yes, just a minute, guys. Yes, guys, please tell me, am I audible now? I think now problem have been sorted out. Yes. So shall we begin now? So guys, I was telling you like if process is reversible, guys, it means if process is reversible, it means we can say, guys, P gas will be equal to P external, right? In case of reversible. So W is equal to P external, I can write RT over V minus B minus A over Vm square into dV. So guys, from here I'm getting this. Hello guys, I think now everything is fine, everything working fine. Please tell me if you have still any issues. But now it is working fine. There was some issue with the laptop. Actually, it might have been due to exhaustion of laptop. These are also machines and require some time. Yes, Amy. So guys, shall we begin now? Are you ready for it? So guys, I was telling you that system that satisfies the van der Waal equation of a state. So yes, this is applicable for that. The process that is reversible and isothermal. Now why it is saying isothermal, guys? Can anybody tell me why it is saying isothermal? Because when you are using it, you are assuming temperature to be constant. Because if temperature is not constant, guys, then it will be problematic. If temperature is not constant, then it will be problematic. Then you will be having two variables. Here I am assuming only volume is variable and this T is constant, A and B are van der Waal constant. So guys, this should be the right answer. So A is correct, B is correct. Now process that is reversible and adiabatic. Now what do you mean by adiabatic, guys? Tell me, what do you mean by adiabatic? Adiabatic means Q will be 0. So if Q is 0, delta U is equal to Q plus W. So W will be equal to delta U. Now why it is saying, and if the process is reversible and adiabatic, why adiabatic? The process that is irreversible and at constant pressure. No, if process is irreversible, then you cannot put P external is equal to P gas. Actually guys, you can put P external is equal to P gas only if process is reversible. Only if process is reversible. Okay guys, otherwise you cannot put. There is no way. So I hope this is done now. Yes guys, please ask if you have any doubt guys. No doubt. So now let's move ahead now. Yes, the next question is, it's from solid state. We have just completed solid states just 10 days back guys. So the cubic unit cell structure of compound containing cation M and anion X as shown. So guys, this is the X. When compared to the anion, the cation has smaller ionic radius. It means cation will move. It means cation will move to the interstitial sites. And if it is so, then choose the correct statement guys. So how will you do this? The empirical formula of the compound is Mx. As you can see, X is present on the edges, so there are 4x, 4 into 1 by 4, because any atom on the edges will be surrounded by 4 atoms, it will be 1. Now if I talk about M, so there are 2 M atoms, it will be 2 into 1 by 2 because on face. So the formula will be Mx. The cation M and anion X have different coordination geometries. Yes, can you tell me about it? Any doubt guys? Can you tell me anyone? Yes, we have just completed it. The ratio of mx bond length to the cubic unit cell edge. Now how will you find it? Yes guys, be fast. Yes, Amy, Monica, Harvinder. Yes, Harvinder. Is there any way to solve it? Any way? Solid state. I think guys you might have done it. So guys, now I will be explaining you that what it is saying, the ratio of mx bond length. So mx bond length. What is mx bond length? In cubic unit cell structure of compound containing M and anion X as shown below, when compared to the anion and the cation has smaller size, then choose the correct. So guys, find the nearest neighbor distance. Nearest neighbor distance. What will be the nearest neighbor distance guys here? What will be the nearest neighbor distance? This will be the nearest neighbor distance. So how can you reach there guys? How can you reach there? So if you make this triangle here, I can't show this triangle. Suppose this side is A. So you are connecting it. It will be almost the body diagonal of it, right? And body diagonal of it, the body diagonal of smaller cube. So guys, it would be root 3a by 2, right? And this is the smallest distance, guys. This is the smallest distance. So now what they are asking, the ratio of mx bond length, so ratio of d to the cubic unit cell edge length. So the a, so d over a would be root 3 by 2, 1.73 by 2. So guys, it would be 0.6, 0.8, 6 and 6. So yes, this is also true guys. The ratio of ionic radii of cation to anion is. And how will you comment about it guys? How will you comment about the ionic radii guys? In this case, can you tell me what will be the ratio of ionic radii here? Guys, this is the compound of mx type. This is the compound of mx type, right? These are present at the face center and these are present at the edge centers. So the ratio of ionic radii will not be this, because this is the ratio for octahedral void. And octahedral voids are formed. You must remember the location. Where are the octahedral voids formed? So guys, octahedral voids are formed at body center and edge centers. So it says ratio of ionic radii of cation M to anion. So it will not be octahedral guys. It will not be octahedral. Because here these cations M are present at the face centers and octahedral voids are present at the edge centers and at the body center. So this is incorrect guys, this is correct guys. So now let's move to the next problem. Now next move to the next problem, sir. Yes, Sarvinder, if you are in class 11, then this problem is for you. Yes. Now let's discuss this problem as well, guys. Let's discuss it. So here, guys, if I'm taking 5 ml of 10 molar oxalic acid in conical flask and you are titrating 5 ml, 0.1 molar. Now you are adding NaOH from the burette using phenolphthalein. So phenolphthalein indicator will tell you when your solution will turn basic. So from the ionic equilibrium, if the volume of Na is required for the appearance of permanent faint pink color, so the pink color is indicating that all acid has been exhausted and now solution has become basic. So you must remember the color of phenolphthalein. So guys, how will you do it? How will you do it, guys? Can anybody tell me in this case? So guys, here it shows the volume of NaOH. It is taking 12.5, 10.5, 9, 9 and 9. So when reaction will take place H2C2O4, it will be an acid-base reaction. So guys, NaOH is going to give you, okay, so you have 0.5 millimole of it. So you need 1 millimole of it for complete titration. Okay guys, so 1 millimole now volume is given. Now read it again, guys. Question is not tough, but it is conceptual, guys. Read it again. Yes, Osho, you are right. So how will you do it? So here Osho, now they are saying if you are adding 12 ml of NaOH, the solution is becoming pink. If you are adding 10.5 ml of it, the solution is again becoming pink. If you are adding 9 ml, 9 ml and 9 ml, again it is becoming pink. So guys, 9 ml is the minimum volume which can exhaust it. So 9 ml will contain 1 millimole of this. So volume, you can calculate, volume is 9, molarity you can calculate 1 by 9, 0.1, you will be getting answer 0.11 molar. This is your answer, guys. Now again let's move to the next problem, and it's really a very good problem, guys. Just see it. This is the problem where thermodynamics and chemical equilibrium have been combined. So now you are given this reaction A and B. Okay, Osho? At 1000 Kelvin. At time T, the temperature of the system was increased to. So you are increasing the temperature from 1000 to 2000 Kelvin. The system was allowed to reach at equilibrium. Throughout this experiment, the partial pressure of A was maintained 1 bar. Given below is the plot of partial pressure of B with time. So what is the ratio of standard gives energy of the reaction? So guys, how you are going to calculate? What is the relationship? Delta G naught is equal to minus RTL and Kp naught. Today I told you that you can take Kp, okay, that is not an issue. So guys, when you are changing the temperature, this Kp will change. I hope you know this. Yes, Osho, yes. This is from equilibrium and thermodynamics from 11th class. From 11th class. You can surely solve them, guys. So now what will you do? What will you do, guys, now? So delta G naught. Now they say what is the value of Kp here? Partial pressure of B and partial pressure of A. If they say is that value of A is 1 bar and it is constant. So Kp will be basically equal to partial pressure of B. Are you getting it? So delta G naught 2 minus RT2 ln K naught B2. This is P1, this is P2, guys. So once you are dividing them guys, you are getting the value of T1 and T2, that is 1000 over 2000. And here you are getting from this data guys, is a partial pressure of B. So initially the partial pressure of B was 10, but now at new equilibrium it is 100. So ln 10 upon ln 100, delta G naught 1 upon delta G. So once you are solving it, you will be getting 1 by 2. Now, what is ln 10 and ln 100? So guys, you just have to apply some mathematics. Log 10, 10 raised to the power 2. So it is 1. It is 2. It will be 1 by 4 guys. I hope now you got it. Again, it was a simple problem. You could have easily done it. Now guys, the next problem, this is based on electrochemical cell. Again, a hydrogen oxygen fuel cell is given. So consider, in this case, consider the 70% efficiency of hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. The working under the standard at 1 bar. The cell reaction given is this. So guys, this is the complete cell reaction. How you are going to get it? If you multiply it by 2 and add it, then you will be getting it. No, you don't have to multiply it by 2. Actually, you have to multiply it by half. Then you will be getting it. No, Lokesh, the paper is tough. Paper is not easy. Questions are not direct. For every question, you have to make effort. For every question, you have to make effort. Okay? This is not easy. So guys, once you are doing it and you are adding it, so this is reduction half, this is oxidation half. E naught for this cell will be, tell me the value of E naught guys. It will be 1.23 volt. And how many electrons will be cancelled? 2 electrons will be cancelled. So guys, they are asking the work derived from cell on consumption of how mole of hydrogen is used to compress 1 mole of monoatomic gas in a thermally isolated. So first you have to calculate the work done. So work done during electrochemical cell will be equal to minus NF E naught cell. So because there are 2 electrons, so you will write 2 96500 and E naught cell is 1.2. Okay guys, so this is the work done you are going to get. So whatever be the value, now you are utilizing this work to compress 1 mole of monoatomic gas in thermally insulated container. So if container is thermally insulated guys, a very good problem, thermodynamic is involved. Delta U is equal to Q plus W. Thermally insulated means there will be no transaction of heat. So work done will be equal to NCVM delta T. So what is NCVM for monoatomic gas guys? N R over gamma minus 1. Or you can directly say what is NCVM? Monoatomic, it would be 3 by 2. It would be 3 by 2. So I can directly take it 1 into 3 by 2 R into delta T, and work done you can calculate from here. So the magnitude of temperature change, there will be temperature change here. Now they are asking what is the change in the temperature of ideal gas. Yes guys, tell me. So here you will be getting some negative value. Whatever will be the value, it will be negative. Negative means this amount of energy is being available from the cell, and now same amount of energy is being used to compress that gas. So guys, when you are compressing that gas, work is done on the gas, positive. So delta U will be positive. It means temperature will increase guys. So your delta T will be positive. Got it? So here you are getting suppose minus 200. Here you have to write plus 200. Work done will be positive because now it is done on the system. So don't write minus negative answer. It will be positive here. It will be positive guys. Any doubt please ask. So guys, now I'm moving on to the next question. So we have aluminium react with sulfuric acid. So what will be the reaction? It is forming Al2. Are you getting it, guys? And if it is being formed, just balance it. After balancing, what is the volume of hydrogen gas produced at 300 Kelvin and what ATM? When 5.4 gram of aluminium. So when they say 5.4 gram, it will be 0.2 mole and 50 ml of 5 molar. So how many millimole of sulfuric acid will be there, guys? 50 into 5, 250.25 millimole. So guys, here just try to find out the limiting reagent. So guys, just divide it by 3 and divide it by 2. You will be getting this as a limiting reagent. So it will be totally exhausted here. So 0.25 mole, 3 mole of it gives me 3 mole of hydrogen. So 0.25 mole will give me 0.25 mole of hydrogen. So I know that 0.25 mole of hydrogen were involved. So PV is equal to nRT. So it is 0.25 into 300. Now volume you can calculate. Now divided by pressure 1 atm. You will be getting your answer, guys. So paper is not easy, guys. Paper is really tough. Paper is really tough. They are checking your conceptual knowledge and concept of not just single topic. Like in this case, you can see you should have command over stoichiometry, and then problem was easy. This problem was easy. So guys, now I'm moving on to the next problem. Yes, this is something related to radioactivity, and I personally think IIT is doing good thing. They are not sparing any topic. They are even asking problems from the radioactivity. That is a good sign. So guys, what is going on here? Now you are given uranium 238, right? And it is being decaying into alpha and beta particle into Pb. So just write down the reaction, guys, and it will give you Pb 82, and you are getting alpha particle. And how many alpha particle will be there? From mass you can calculate 32. So 8 alpha particle will be there. 8 alpha particle will be there. Now when 16 will be removed, 76. So here it will be 6 beta particles. 6 beta particles, guys. Now what they are saying, if number of alpha particle that it would emit during its decay from this in 3 half-life is this, then what is the value of Z? So guys, how will you determine? A rock initially contain itne gram of uranium. How will you do it? Okay, Gagan, that's great if you are doing it. So just calculate its mole, guys. Just calculate its mole. 68. So again, it is a calculation intensive problem, guys. So once you are doing the calculation, you will be getting the moles. Then multiply those moles into Na. So you are getting total number of atoms, guys. Are you getting my point? So once you are getting total number of atoms, so it says 3 half-lives. So during its radioactive decay in 3 half-life, number of alpha particle. So one particle of it will give you 8 alpha particle. So how many number of particle you are going to get? How many number of particle? So first of all, guys, you have to determine if it is N naught, how many particles will be reacted? How many particles will be reacted after 3 half-lives? So after 3 half-lives, number of particles decayed. How many number of particles will be left? You can find out N naught minus N naught by 8 after 3 half-lives. So once you are getting the number of particle decayed, just multiply your answer by 8. You will be getting number of alpha particles. Why? Because on decay of one particle you are getting 8 particles. On decay of one particle you are getting 8 particles. Okay guys, so now I'm moving on to the next problem guys, and yes, it's a very good problem. This problem was part of paper number 2 guys, so let's solve it now. Again, this problem involves periodic table concept, ionization energy concept, electron affinity concept, and I hope every one of you know about this. But problem is not direct. Problem is not direct. So the first, second, and third ionization enthalpies are I1, I2, and I3. Four atoms with atomic number n, n plus 1, n plus 2. So guys, they are consecutive. In periodic table, they are consecutive atom, like we have carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Suppose it is having 6, 7, 8, 9 atomic number n, n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus. Are you getting my point, guys? Where n is less than 10. So I have just taken some value, n will be less than 10. What is the value of n? So guys, just observe the trend. Just observe the trend, guys. Okay, ours. Let's see, actually all problems are not tough. Some problems are conceptual, but like this. Paper was not easy. It was moderate to hard. It was not easy. Yes, but what can you expect from IIT JEE? It should be tough. So here you can see doubling, doubling, doubling. Here you can see doubling, again doubling. Here you can see a huge difference, 10 times. And then, so guys, there is a jump. There is a jump here, as you can see. And then we have jump over here, 6 times. Otherwise, at most of the place, jump is. So guys, after losing one electron, there is a jump. It means it might get inert configuration after losing one electron, guys. So hydrogen, helium, then we have neon. So we have lithium, Na. So after losing one electron, it is achieving inert gas configuration, guys. So it might be 11. So if N plus 2 is 11, guys, N will be 9. And after losing 2 electron, so it is magnesium. It is getting jump. So now, guys, I hope you have got the answer. Got it, guys? So it was really a good problem. Yes. Now do it, guys. It was interesting. It is something related to inorganic chemical bonding. You can easily answer it. These compounds are given. When a charged comb is brought near their flowing stream, how many of them show deflection as per the following figure? So guys, here you can see the deflection, guys. And here, if you can see the deflection, can you see it, guys? Only polar, because this is charged. So what will happen? Only polar molecules. Yes, okay, you can solve them. These are not tough problems, I'm telling you. So only polar molecules will get attracted towards it. So find out the polar molecule. HF is polar, H2 is polar, ammonia is polar. Then we have H2O2, and this is polar, this is polar. So count them. So there are 6 molecules, guys, which are polar. O2 is non-polar, CCl4 is non-polar, benzene is non-polar. I hope now you got it, guys. Got it? Tell me. So now let's move to the next point, guys. Now, in chemical reaction between the stoichiometric quantities of KMnO4 and Ki in a weakly basic medium. So guys, when it says weakly basic medium, so from +7 to it will move to +4, weakly basic medium. So guys, 3 electron gain will be here and n factor will be 3. And now I minus will give you I2. So guys, redox we have just completed, and I think it was the easiest problem of the chapter of the paper, guys. So you will be losing 2 electron here, multiply it by 2 and multiply it by 3. So you will be getting 2 km/4, 6i minus. Got it? Yes or no? What is the number of mole of I2 released for 4 moles of km/4? 2 moles will give you 3, so 4 mole will give you 6 mole. Done. So guys, if you have just balanced the chemical reaction, you can get your answer. This was easy. This was easy. This was moderate to easy, but not moderate to tough. So guys, I have just solved 3 problems and you can see them. Now let's move to the next problem, guys. So now I'm talking about liquid A and B from ideal solution for all composition. So basically an ideal solution is being formed when it was shaken after the addition of 1 ml of two such solution with 0.25 and 0.5 mole fraction. So first solution, mole fraction of F is for the second solution. So PS will be PS will be I hope you are getting it. So now if X is 0.5, 0.25, this is 0.4. So guys, here you can easily see there are two variables and there are two equations. You can solve them easily. There are only two variables, and I don't think there is something or anything which you cannot do. Tell me, guys. It was easy problem. Are you getting it? Now let's do it, guys. How will you do it? So guys, just read it. Tin is obtained from cassiterite by reduction with the coke. So you should have knowledge about this from metallurgy, guys. And you will be getting tin plus CO2 plus, at which the reduction of cassiterite by coke would take place. So this is taking place. Now enthalpy of reaction would be at which the reduction. So guys, what will you do? What will you do, guys? So if you want to calculate the minimum temperature at which this reduction will take place, so you have to first of all you have to find out delta H naught and delta S naught for the reaction. And in order to be spontaneous, delta G naught has to be negative. So delta H naught, this has to be negative. So how will you calculate delta H naught, guys? How will you calculate? Why? Because these are elemental state and you have to take their enthalpy of formation to be 0. So once you are doing it, you will be getting delta H naught. Put it here. Now how will you calculate delta S? So delta S naught product minus, so this data is also given, guys. Carbon, CO2, SN, SNO2. So just calculate it and put it. You will be getting the value of temperature because now you know value of delta H naught and value of delta S naught. Tell me, guys. Tell me if you have any doubt. No doubt. So guys, now let's do the next problem here. Now they are saying that acidified solution of zinc, 0.05 molar zinc, is saturated with 0.1 molar H2S. So what is the minimum molar concentration required to prevent the precipitation of zinc? Ksb of zinc is given and overall dissociation constant of H2S is given. So how will you do it, guys? So ZNS, it is going to give you so Ksp will be like it. Got it? So guys, you have to calculate the minimum value of S2 minus. How will you do it? Zn concentration given is 0.05. So concentration of S2 minus will be this. So this is the minimum concentration which you require. Now it is given that K1 and K2 for H2S. So what does it mean? K given as K1, K2. So 10 raised to the power minus 21 will be equal to H plus square into S2 minus over H2S. Are you getting it, guys? So once you are getting it, guys, you will be getting 0.1. And after some time, what is the minimum concentration of H plus required to prevent the precipitation of ZNS? So 0.1 minus X, 2X, X. So you need to calculate the value of 2X. But you know that concentration of X plus Y and it should be. So now you know it. So here guys, directly you can put this, and because this K is very small, so value of this X can be neglected. So 0.1 will be there, guys. H plus square into, I hope now you can get it. I hope guys now you can get it easily. You can do it. So this was again a very good problem, guys, something related to it. But this problem was also easy. If you read it carefully, guys, you can do it. Like, what is the formula for potential energy? It will be Q1 Q2 by R. Are you getting it? So guys, when we have two hydrogen atoms, so each will have one electron. This is positively charged, so there will be attraction, this electron towards it, and this electron will attract it towards it. These will repel, positive positive and negative negative will repel. But in the question it mentioned ignore all the repulsion. So there will be two pairs. So if you calculate the potential energy on one hydrogen atom, you will be calculating it. The value of K will be 9 into 10 raised to the power 9, and charge will be 1.6 square. And then guys, what is the value of R? What is the value of R? How will you calculate that? Can you tell me? So guys, when I'm talking about hydrogen, it is unielectronic species. So value of R will be 0.53 n square by. So you will be getting value of R from there. Angstrom. So this is the potential energy of one molecule. Now multiply it by 2 because the system is consisting of two hydrogen atoms, right? So system is consist of two hydrogen atoms, so you just have to multiply it by 2. Okay, thank you. But now focus on it, guys. Whatever I'm teaching you, focus on it. So guys, today I discussed most of the problems from physical and inorganic. Some problems I took which you guys were feeling like they were tough. and I took them somewhat tough, not easy, but I would rate this paper as moderate to tough, not tough. There were tough exams 2 years back. There were tough exams if you compare them with those exams. It is relatively easy. So exam is not tough. The problem is during the exam, guys, you have to find out what you have to select, which question you should attempt. Because if you are attempting the tougher part, what will happen after some time after attempting two or three problems, guys, you will stuck. And in such a scenario, guys, what happens? Once you are stuck, your confidence will lose. And once you start losing your confidence, marks are gone. So, guys, if there are 10 questions or there are 12 questions and you are feeling that questions are tough, then try to find out 7 to 10 questions or 7 questions that are easy. So, guys, in a paper, in exam, there can never be 100% of questions. There will be 20% of, there will be 30% of, 50%. 50% of means very tough exam. But if it is so, guys, in that case, you have to work on other 50%. So once you are reading a question or its a statement, then in the first attempt, read it properly. In the first attempt. Okay, guys. Because once you have read it in the first attempt properly, then you will have exact idea about what to do next, how to proceed ahead. Should I go for the next question or should I not go for the next question? So the main thing is, guys, you have to develop your paper temperament. If paper temperament you want to develop, there are two ways to develop it. First thing is, I normally tell you in all my motivational lectures, generally I tell you guys that there are two ways. So whenever you are doing your homework, you are being given your modules, DPPs or sheets, always do it like exam and do it in a time bound manner. Second point is, take as many tests as possible. Join some test series. So guys, if you are preparing for 2021, then you should join some test series and take it seriously. Once you are giving the exam, actually you have to develop your paper temperament. And if you are successful in developing that paper temperament, guys, believe me, there would be no issue, because out of 10 questions, everybody would be attempting these 7. Then you will have that ability to select those 7 questions or 8 questions which are easy or moderate, and leave the tougher part for the later. If you get some time, then you can attempt them. Okay, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's class, and if you really enjoyed it, guys, please share it and like it and click on the bell icon so that you can get latest notification of our lectures, guys. We are there on the Telegram by the name JEE English, so you can join us, and the link for Telegram channel is given in the description part of this, guys. There are simple steps to subscribe it. Just download Unacademy's learning app, click on the plus and then choose IIT JEE and then hit the subscription button. Once you are hitting it, guys, then you will be getting these options. For 1 year, guys, you have to pay 38,000. For 2 year, you have to pay 50,000. But if you are applying my code, then you just have to pay 34,000 and 50,000. Are you getting my point, guys? So I hope you enjoyed today's class, guys. Thank you, and remember this code. This will help you in getting 10% discount, guys. So this was analysis of JEE Advanced 2020, and I would rate it as moderate to tough, but not tough. Yes, you have to identify those problems, because in advanced exam there will be always 2 or 3 tough problems. But you have to identify the problems which you can attempt. So guys, thank you everyone. I will meet you again tomorrow. We have a quiz. So guys, take care of you.